Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and today I thought I would do a quick flip through of these two travel brochures and this Birds and Blooms magazine. Now, you can order these for like $7 or $10 a month, something like that. But when you go to renew your subscription, they want to charge you like $30, so that's just a warning for you. And if you've used your card, they're going to do it automatically, so you want to be careful what you're getting into. But it is a beautiful magazine. I don't know that it's worth $30, though. So there's a whole bunch of things. I'm going to pretty much cut out everything, even these things. I'm hoping there's the hotter the better, some good words. Jitterbug is a good one to cut out. Summer sights. Pollinator magnet. I'm probably going to cut up a lot of the headlines. Low growing lovelies. I can cut out lovelies. Picture perfect. There's all kinds of things you can use from Birds and Blooms magazines. These are my kind of hummingbirds, ruby throats. Oh, this is an Allen's one. These are ruby throats. It's the only one we get in our area. However, occasionally there's a rufous hummingbird, but very rarely. So I will probably be cutting every single last thing out of this magazine. You can use your circle punch for these, and you can do the inchies, Even this, I'll cut out this whole page and probably just put this in my book and just keep it that way. I do that a lot. Look at all these beautiful little things that you can cut out. More circles, like inchies. This could be a full page. Just beautiful, beautiful images. Maybe it is worth $30 to you. I'm not sure it is to me, but my my finances are pretty tight. So, yeah, there's a lot in here. And when I am done cutting out, I'll show you everything I got from this magazine. Nope, this page is stuck together. All right. And there's even a little tiny hamburger that you could cut out. Maybe somebody would want to cut out the steak. I don't know. All right. There's a whole page you can just put in your glue book just like that. So this was a Pennsylvania travel guide that I got on the way down to my daughter's at a rest stop. So there was a lot of stuff at that rest stop. I felt funny grabbing a million things, though, but there's so many neat things that you can cut out of here. Great American Getaway, America, all kinds of words, state of wonder, or even just wonder. Move to music. I mean, look at all these beautiful things. Just about every page you can cut out something, too, from here. Here's sort of like a map page. You can cut out the QR codes. There's an inchy right there. Noodle on this. There's all the camping places. Getting more into the ads now. I didn't know there was a Bethany. I might cut that out. Gorgeous Bethany. I'm definitely going to cut that out. And I want to make sure I remember it. And I can put that on a picture of Bethany. Didn't know there was a Bethany, PA. I knew there was a Bethany, Maryland, though. Bethany Beach, Maryland, sorry. You can get some nice purple from the back, for your backgrounds. Even she might be cute cut out. So when you're traveling and you go, look at, he's cute. Reese's Pieces guy. Or Reese's Peanut Butter Cup guy. So anytime you go traveling and go into a rest stop, check out their brochures. Oh, here's a little map you can use. And, oh, look at that, all those animals. Spider-Man, too. Tons of things that you can use in your glue books. I'm probably speeding this up a little bit, too, so it's not too boring. Mostly ads now. Museum. That's kind of neat. Going upside down on the roller coaster there. Ooh, look at that. Cats of the World. Wonder where that is. Pretty. So there's a lot of stuff in this one. You could do a whole glue book just on Pennsylvania with this. All right, and then this is Binghamton, New York, which I did look through this, and like we can cut out some of the circles. I wasn't too impressed with this one, though, to be honest. Oh, that's cute. You can cut these out together even and just put them on your page. Some nice background colors. Oh, I guess there's a little bit here that's nice to cut out. That would be neat to cut out. Too bad he's on both pages. Little guy catching a fish. Waterfalls. Some fruits and veggies. So a lot of stuff you can cut out, definitely. Not as much that I like in this one, though. Here's faces. You can use your inchy punch to cut out some faces, and that's it. All right, everybody, so it's been a few days, and I've cut out everything from the 2 travel guides and the birds and blooms. So I think I'll just show you real quick everything from the Binghamton travel guide, and I'm just going to probably speed up. Hopefully the glare is not too bad. This is just a river and a tree, and I thought it was a nice maybe background. A lot of these little circles, if you remember. A bridge. Beautiful scenery. We're going to be having that soon, I hope. Although it's been a pretty dry summer, it might not be as spectacular as some years. I found this word. Some ballet dancers, waterfalls, golfer. Look at that. I mean, that is gorgeous. It's like it's a golf course. You can see this little flag here, but oh my gosh, it's beautiful. That was just a weird background page, I thought, or picture for a page. More of the golf course. Oh, look at that. I would love to live right there. Carousel, some more background image. Feeding the giraffe. We did that. This is at an animal adventure park in Harpersville, New York. We've been there a couple times. This looks like a carnival, family fun. I think that's an otter. Looks like kids playing soccer. Balloon Fest. We've had Balloon Fest right here where we live a few years ago. I don't think they still do it here though. Rock climbing, more balloons. And this is some statue somewhere in Binghamton. I'm going to cut around this when I actually use it. So let's get that out of the way. This is from the Pennsylvania one. I feel like I didn't get as much from the Pennsylvania one. Gorgeous Outdoors in Bethany. I thought that would be cute. Serenity. Oh, Little Town of Bethlehem I thought would be good for Christmas. I accidentally cut this off of something. The Great American Getaway. This is just like a strip of maybe background. Enjoy the Ride. Commonplace Coffee Cup. Revolution. Into the Outdoors. Somebody holding some bourbon whiskey. Noodle on this came with this picture. I don't know if I'll use it with that picture, but that's where it came from. Spirited Away. A drink. Oh, this was this one. Wonderland. I cut out something on the other side, and then when I realized I had cut this out in half, I was a little upset. So that goes with that. I can glue that together. Reese's Pieces guy. A Retreat to New Hope. Surprise. Magical Winters. Get Outdoors. This is like the top of a camera. Just some waterfalls, some kind of ride. I think that's the way it is. A leopard. Go with the flow. It looks like a lookout deck. State of Wonder. A village. This looks like a Japanese garden or something. I don't know where that is. Some drinks. Some ladies with flowers. Boat ride in a cave. Another ride. Another cave. And I'm not even sure which way this goes. Don't hurry, be happy. Spider-Man. Another waterfall. Your next adventure begins. A butterfly. A little river. Some winter fun. And then a map of Pennsylvania. So that's it for that one. I'm going to get all these together in here, I think, until I can get them put away. So that goes there. And I started cutting up this one. I actually took out almost every page. And after I cut out a few, I realized I might as well just wait until I'm going to use them. So this issue was all about hummingbirds. I have her. I have summer sights. And then some of these pages I'm going to have to decide, which pictures I want to use. But I thought I might as well just cut them out when I'm actually ready to use them. I definitely want to use these. I can cut these out with my little inchy circle. And basically, these are all the pages I already showed you. Now that I'm done with this book, or all these 3 catalogs, and magazines, I got something in the mail. Mary Jane's Farm. This is a great little magazine I got, and I saw it in the doctor's office, and I got a prescription, or I got a subscription for it. And I'll be reading this. I do actually read these magazines, and then I cut them up. But we'll do that on another video. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.